Let me tell you something. All your healing miracle pastors have doctors. All of them. Tell them I said so. Aww. Some of them I know they are doctors, but they don't know I know. Small time they will sleep and go and do medical checkup. They will choke them injection everywhere. Then they will come back and say, I can never be sick. I can never be sick. Injection don't enter body. That's why the man is bouncing. I can never be sick. Dr. Damina, do you believe in healing? Yes, I believe in healing and miracles. Jesus went everywhere healing. He's still healing right now. He has healed me many times.
For I 3 media trimester was subscribe to your channel now. Subscribe up to so now was subscribe. Am I say we obia Udia go social media now TV and I say we need to end me some want to tear so for me bo a prophet Kofi Oduro uni nipa kura meka tie he tie me ankasa me papa prophet Kofi Oduro omutwa bon yiye pa e wo social media so and am say papa o preachy no oka asem efa adum so ho kakra enkofo bebre etwa bono ewo internet ne so men kasa bebe yenko ne yenkoje nchiremu ene ada ensema eno so etwa guo social media ne so memfa ni hina me moni hina tofa na yenkohwe emra
ofa shaise ni sofu Kofi Oduro what wa fe na wo tietie mo wa sori dem mo say ya doom light enya wa Kofi Oduro ya wa pampe mesa mamponkun e ka tre Ghana for say mo nto aba ma nanado kwasia tani ye tie danatie afa de ye dunum light ya wusu say wo koda bin your friend say wo koda plastic chair so obeda valanda so unyanguhwe obeda mango dua so mamponkun no place wo hopa koda mamponkun so o de mframa wo ntontom ni wo koye kro mampontontom ni wo shaise afa na wo complaining una wutina ho na wo to ayampia so fu Kofi Oduro onwa wiye bompaye na hyenkom na ayidum so ne nsesa why ohene ba shaise me nkoti amete kuna ma
Absia an wahuwa wiye according to wafa shaise ochiremu a osubempa anase Kofi Oduro eja na so redem a afide woye dey o complaining about a show. Yes, I want us what to be adiamani Kofi Oduro said the ohwehwe ye no ana chese wo fili na mesramo ewo osofu selifu amwakonso aside no yentie ensempa bia a black rasta walker at the Afanaku yentie embra.
For Moko issue no very dicey, especially somebody like me talking about it. Because I made a comment on this issue and I was sending him a message say he wasn't happy about the comments that I made. Or you be very humble, but Nekasamuno sometimes it takes him out. We're humble, we're very humble. But a bit more omukasano does not really reflect their being, their real being. It will be an accident actually one share. Somebody coming from Kumasi area, and we are not now. Your spiritual father from the south, Onukra Ntina Yefrewa Mwakono. Uncle say we are Muslim. The next in line to be a layman. And I say, Imam, what can we until be an himself story? The spiritual father, a accident, gory accident. You not to try it. But on our story, no, or can you say Rawlings was the man who orchestrated that accident? And your secret was cover radio so everywhere. Number 2, 2 years ago, no accident be truck be running into the car. And a machine, a car, and some other people around. Truck and losing brakes. It will be an accident and you're new to him. The video or car about saying yes, salute to me in Ghana, or you see your friend saying be to be sounding for license and all that, you know. To the extent say or a step further to say who born dog. Them say it hurt a lot of people. And they will say, you shall say no and make it run its full course. One show the kind of remorse and can also show. First time assembly by we saw him on social media, kneeling down, begging the family. Now very emotional. A few days later, God kind say he didn't pull a gun on anybody at the end. But I understand say trauma to me man yes. Yes. Left to me alone no. Boy no has suffered enough. Trauma no. Why should you on to me kaka crab all his life? To be pointed out as we no cool young girls. Enough trauma for him, but I think say ni papa born in assembly still Bonnie as in the way of Casano as is in sins as in quotes.
We so nikapa efa ye papa owusu bempa papa osofu pen owusu bempa eno so ne ankofo ekafa an ho enam nsem bia okafa ye papa John Dramani Mahama ho ansana last year election or Sasana no a cancer for no son of be a cancer fan and go share no summer.
So for we are Sabanya prophet also, you are not a man of God. We are dealing with the spiritual aspects. We have physical, no I can say, yeah, no contact. Yeah, Cassassin, so for my catcher was say, so be a soft move for Radia. No, now they come. No crowd that would be say you are a man of God. You are a pastor, you are a prophet of the land, or be a challenger, but you are not working for God. You are not a man of God. This prophets, you are not among them. And you just relax. What do I say? Now, so far, who to me can say, Chama, won't mean kind of prena, or no, the number won't pay you are Dramani Mahama, also you are shame. You are a shameful prophet. Papa, I'm telling you, we are very shameful. We are very disappointed. A woman as a prophet. What can say to you that John Dramani Mahama? Ninsa Wagufi, Yamiso Peripium, Mojaka Kansa, or you're poor, when you say, and now what we have a catcher, and you young in a catcher on him, a child, want to mean a catcher, I can send, and for John Dramani Mahama, politics area, politics area, and you dating them because of say, one boy Ramahama, Manaba, and never Panakas one penny once. So you will be all yet by heart attack, or say, nay, Yaka will soon must be arrested. Just I tell you with deep papa and someone can go so and we are seeing the 2 years John Dramani Mahama son. Nature said, "Yamin can't tell." Because you fake I want to say. And you chama want to minute me can. You Mahama on something. I want to back on thing. Jeremiah can. Jeremiah said, "We are and some free one non one what the other someone come." Jeremiah said it. He said, "Bible no be can clear." Jeremiah or can so we are one non one some what the asem come. What do you say? Now you are what about any message papa divine message now. Healing pa many penny bad no for say pa no pa now I be just saw them now body guys need to work now kanta shame o me tell o money na me no ade ba ko a me mate ase say mo no nya adwuma ne kwa the spirit behind you no is so powerful in the etonipa a jinipa a sonipa a chinipa jina many pen and the nka nipa nim se mo to pull so still they are following you. We have no problem because mo say we want to someone from bedi mochi because e sale to me na kire mo.
Se video ne yakosha ba na nsem de do so aha 3 media tribe wadwun kire bia fa to comment section ho na be kan ama kama be dia ne Pascal Nelson Macron.